Hello everyone, welcome to SAP Digital Manufacturing on Cloud Learning School. This is Ajit, over 14 years of experience in SAP manufacturing solution, including SAP ME, SAP MII, SAP production planning, and SAP plant connectivity for machine integration. These days, manufacturing execution system rapidly moving to cloud, and that's where SAP Digital Manufacturing comes in. On this channel, I will be sharing a practical knowledge on SAP Digital Manufacturing on cloud. That will include integration, insight, architecture, and best practices based on my experience. Whether you are an SAP consultant or manufacturing IT professional, or if you are thinking transitioning from SAP MEMI to SAP Digital Manufacturing on cloud, so this tutorial is designed to help you learn clearly and confidently. So today I'm just going for SAP Digital Manufacturing overview. So the first topic in SAP Digital Manufacturing overview is design to operate. SAP Digital Manufacturing design to operate. So here I want to explain that where SAP Digital Manufacturing execution system fits in supply chain. So we are going to learn about digital manufacturing on cloud. So we should know where it fits in a supply chain. So let's go for a simple definition for SAP DMC, that is these days known as SAP DM. So digital manufacturing is a public cloud-based manufacturing execution system developed by SAP, which is mainly used for executing, controlling, and monitoring manufacturing processes or activity on shop floor. So this manufacturing execution system will capture each step that's get performed by a supervisor or operator during a product manufacturing phase. So each and everything will be recorded as a product history and genealogy, and anytime that can be referred. Any issues come for a particular product, that can be referred at any time. All data will be saved in a digital manufacturing on cloud. So let's understand what is design to operate. So design to operate has 4 stages, where the first one is design. So design is where either a new product or the enhancement in a product gets designed, and according to requirements it gets planned and moved to the manufacturing. And this is the part where SAP Digital Manufacturing, SAP DM, comes in, and all the steps that need to be performed for a product manufacturing all will be executed in a digital manufacturing on cloud application, that is the MES application. And then it will be, product will go to inventory, and then it will be deliver by a multi-modal omni-channel logistic processes to customer. And after reaching to the customer starts using that particular product, and then comes maintenance and service that comes under the operate. So the maintenance and service for this product will come under the operate. And again, if there is any issues or any design changes, again it will be communicated and redesigned and again manufacture. So this cycle will be continued. So here we just understand that the digital manufacturing execution system where fits in a design to operate scenarios in supply chain management. Moving to the next manufacturing portfolio from SAP. So before getting a knowledge or learning SAP Digital Manufacturing on Cloud, known as SAP DM, we should know what all other products from SAP that's doing almost the same thing for SAP Manufacturing Execution System. So that comes under the SAP portfolio. So whenever I am saying the portfolio is nothing but a set of solutions that SAP provided for manufacturing execution system. So SAP has this 3 manufacturing execution system product that a customer can use, but each one has a different usability, different purpose to serve. So SAP Digital Manufacturing on Cloud, this is a MES system from SAP that is hosted on public cloud, and that gives you a ability for manufacturing execution, insight, network, and predictive quality. So these are the high level features that provided in SAP Digital Manufacturing on Cloud. SAP Manufacturing Suite, that is our on-premise product that you can install on-premise, which includes SAP Manufacturing Integration and Intelligence, SAP Manufacturing Execution, SAP Plant Connectivity. So these 3 product collectively known as SAP Manufacturing Suite, and this product can also solve your manufacturing execution related requirement. So this is on premise, this is on cloud, and another is S4 HANA manufacturing. So S4 HANA manufacturing having a component that is we can say the S4 HANA component, that is a separate component and separate license you have to take for this, which is known as a production engineering and operations. In a short, it is known as PEO. So that is PEO, production engineering and operation, that is also used for your manufacturing execution, and this is mainly designed for very highly complex assembly. So mainly it's been used in Boeing or defense industries. So each product has different usability, different uses. According to the requirement, we can select any one of this product portfolio. Coming to the next in SAP Digital Manufacturing Overview, manufacturing capability. Sorry. So let's talk about a capability of SAP Digital Manufacturing on Cloud. So whenever we are talking about SAP Digital Manufacturing on Cloud, the main thing it's a bridge the gap between the business system, that is your S4 HANA or ERP system, and its actual factory equipment, or you can say the shop floor. So business system does the planning and the shop floor system does the execution. and the both system should be in sync. So this gap filled by SAP Digital Manufacturing on cloud. So let's understand the SAP Digital Manufacturing capability at very high level. So digital manufacturing capabilities covers production execution, orchestration and monitoring, analytics and insight, enterprise integration, network collaboration. So these are the main capabilities of SAP Digital Manufacturing on cloud. So let's discuss one by one and understand it. So production execution. So production execution mainly focus on work of making product. So for making or producing a product on the floor, whatever things the operator and supervisor does there, that everything comes under the production execution. Like, so production execution helps to make a plant as a paperless production. So if we are doing manufacturing a product, so we don't need any paper for the checklist that we need to maintain. We can build a digital checklist, or we can give a digital screen in SAP DM. It's known as production operator dashboards. Through that, operator will interact to SAP Digital Manufacturing system, and each and everything will be recorded and stored in the database. Step by step instructions. So SAP Digital Manufacturing on cloud execution gives ability where operator can see the instructions, the work instructions for each of the operations that might be related to the product assembly, or that might be related to the machines on they are working. So they can see the work instruction, even that includes the 3D models, animation, and directly at their workstation. Tracking every parts. So tracking every parts, the meaning is that whatever the components that need to be assembled or need to be consumed, each product recording will be performed, and that will be stored in digital manufacturing execution system as a genealogy, and that can be extracted as a report at any time. Quality checks in between manufacturing of the product. So whenever we are producing or performing particular steps for a product, so we can check the quality as well as each of the steps, or we can take the confirmation from operator either they have performed a particular task on that operation or not by using the buy-off facilities. Buy-off. So next is that analytics, smart analytics, manufacturing insight, you can say. So this area mainly helps to understand how the factory is performing. So you can do a real-time monitoring, or you can see a real-time reporting on your manufacturing processes. So real-time dashboards, that actually the KPIs you can configure, and you can create your real-time dashboards that you can monitor. Predictive quality, you can use the machine learning to detect the potential defect early. Finding the why, if the problem occurs, it also provides if the what was the root cause of that particular problem and how it's got resolved, and each and everything will be captured and stored in SAP Digital Manufacturing on cloud. Coming to the next, that working with other, that is nothing but a manufacturing network. That is the collaboration. Also you can say collaborating with some outside of our company's network. So here the partner collaboration we can do, like you can collaborate with supplier and product design, quality requirement and pricing. So supplier and customer can collaborate for better quality, better design and better costing. And this is give you to communicate to your like outside of your factory or the plant to some other suppliers and the customers to understand their requirements. Now coming to the integration part. So integration, that's consist of two type of integration. One is the machine integration, that's SAP Digital Manufacturing on cloud interact with plant floor, shop floor machines and interchange the data either from sensor or PLCs to SAP Digital Manufacturing on cloud, or from digital manufacturing to plant floor systems. So that's we can achieve by production connector. So here you can see there is a SAP plant connectivity. So now SAP not going to use SAP plant connectivity, so it will be a production connector. So production connector is just a successor of a plant connectivity software. This is the window-based software that's mainly used to connect to your plant floor machines, and that is mainly used for a shop floor automation. And then a plant connectivity, or you can say the production connector, will be connected to your SAP Digital Manufacturing on cloud. And how it will be integrated, we will be seeing in a detail. And the integration with the ERP system. So integration with ERP system, where we can transfer all the master data as well as the transactional data, like production order, process order or plant order, that execution will be performed in SAP Digital Manufacturing on cloud. So this integration is the out of box integration provided by SAP, and that integration will be done by that is SAP CPI. So this integration will keep S4HANA and SAP Digital Manufacturing on cloud system both in sync. So there is a bi-directional communication from S4HANA to SAP Digital Manufacturing on cloud. So this is just SAP DMC overview, and in the next videos I'm trying to bring the further steps, like SAP Digital Manufacturing stages, what all components, main components for SAP Digital Manufacturing, and we will go one by one each of the digital manufacturing capabilities, and we will understand in a practical way as well. So thank you very much for